Today's inauguration of the River State Civil Service Commission is one that resonates deeply with our agenda for a reinvigorated civil service. The civil service is the backbone of public administration, the machinery through which policies are translated into programs and actions that impact lives. This commission plays a strategic role in discipline, training, recruiting, promoting, and the general welfare of the workforce that drives all sectors of government. It must, therefore, carry out these responsibilities with the ideals of merit, fairness, transparency, and equity. You have the unique responsibility to shape the future of the civil service, not just through hiring and promotions, but by building a culture of excellence and patriotism. The days of mediocrity and favoritism must give way to competence, integrity, and accountability. Since my appointment as administrator here in River State, the civil service has embarked on various training and capacity building programs, and more are lined up in the coming weeks. I have directed the acting head of service to set up a committee to draw up extensive frameworks and guidelines for a comprehensive overhaul of the public service. We are therefore counting on this commission that I've just inaugurated to lead the reform of the civil service, to adopt digital tools in managing personnel, and to standardize practices across the ministries, departments, and agencies. I urge you to develop training systems, reward mechanisms, and appraisal methods that encourage productivity. You must also work closely with the Office of the Head of Service, training institutes, and relevant ministries, departments, and agencies to create a professional, disciplined, and motivated public service. The civil service must not just function, it must perform. And performance begins with leadership. That leadership is you. You must always remember that your actions contribute to the general peace, stability, and security of our dear state. Be agents of peace as you carry out this onerous task. I charge you to serve with honor and integrity. Once again, congratulations. Thank you and God bless you all.
Do solemnly swear, affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will protect and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Do solemnly swear, affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Chairman of this institution, I will discharge and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the fundamental objectives and directives, principles of the Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct all my official decisions that in all that shall be brought under my constitution, all shall become known to me as a member of Civil Service Commission, Rivers State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as member of the Civil Service Commission, Rivers State. So help me God.
First the camera.